Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is November 2nd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, we have the futures up 1.25 points right now to 25.76 per contract. Futures were lower, but they have steadily climbed throughout the morning. So we'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings. Again, we have the Federal Reserve behind us. That was yesterday. And now we look forward to the non-farm payroll report tomorrow. So we'll see how this all plays out. But in the meantime, we have lots, and I do mean lots of stocks in the news. Let's get started here. We'll start the day off with Facebook. Facebook reporting earnings. The stock closed at 182.66. It's trading basically flat. Right now it's sitting at 181.70, so a little bit of a downtick. Facebook did sell off a brief bit yesterday after the closing bell, but again, it has rebounded back up, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Again, there's not much I'm looking to do with this stock at the moment, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. Qualcomm is QCOM ticker symbol, and what you're going to see here is stock is trading at 53.60. Closed at 53.46. This has been a beaten down chip play. Lots of problems going against Apple with patent infringements and things along those lines. We'll see how this all plays out. But right now, when I look at Qualcomm, there's really not a whole lot to do here. We'll look at this stock again once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out then. Right now, it's basically flat ahead of the opening bell, but it will be in play today. Let's take a look at another big giant tech name, Alibaba. This is the Amazon of Asia. Stock right now is trading at 191.24, closed at 186. If you ask me, this is the stock of 2017. Look at this stock on a monthly chart. This thing has just gone parabolic, one of the best movers. I think it's the best moving stock out here. And today, making a new all-time high. Yesterday, closed at 186.08. Look at it now, trading at 191.21. Briefly went to 195. I think this has a date with destiny at 200, but it's a little bit too high on the chart here to own at the moment. So we'll see how it plays out today. Again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. And we'll see how it goes from there. We will look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Tesla. We have gap levels ready for Tesla today. Tesla right now trading at 301.65, down from 321.08. Tesla getting a little bit of a haircut. I have excellent gap levels ready to be played in Tesla. So again, they'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. If you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of this month and also into the end of 2017. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. All right, let's jump over to Yum Brands. I have not looked at this one yet this morning, but I do see they reported earnings. Stock looks like it's trading at $75 a share, closed at $74.31, so Yum is up a little bit. Newell Rubbermaid, NWL, is the ticker symbol there. Newell Brands trading down. This closed at $41, now trading at $34.25. I'll have levels for this. I see them right off the bat. So we're going to have some levels for this one posted up in the intraday stock chat room. So stand by. We'll be looking to play this name shortly. Let's take a look at Wayfair. Wayfair is getting hammered this morning. Stock closed at $74.41, now trading at $61. I already have levels done for Wayfair, so we will be playing this name today. Again, another gap play. We're looking at at least 3 to 4, maybe 5 gap plays today when it's all said and done. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Trade right with us. Next up, we're going to take a look at Heinz Kraft Heinz, KHC is the ticker symbol here. Kraft Heinz right now trading at $76.50. Stock closed at $77.70, so this is down a little bit. I don't think there's a lot of downside from here, though. Next up, we're going to take a look at Ralph Lauren. Ticker symbol is RL. Stock right now is trading at $95, closed at $89.45, so this is a great move for Ralph Lauren this morning. Nice pop there. And again, when I look at the chart, I have to think that you're probably nearing good resistance up here. So be a little bit careful. If you own Ralph Lauren, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this time. We will look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Symantec. SYMC is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $32.16. It is now trading at $29.60. Briefly got down to $28.50, but it has recovered a little bit. But this is still down on the session. We'll see how it plays out. I have a good level for this one today. Watch the $27.80 level. We get down to 27.80. I think there is a play there in Symantec. So again, keep that on the radar. 27.80 for Symantec. That looks like a solid bounce level for this stock. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Yelp. I need somebody. Yelp, anybody. The stock right now is trading at $46.84. Closed at $46.03. So Yelp upticking a little bit. I think the upside is somewhat limited here, but the stock has been moving higher, and the trend is up. So we still have to respect that. Let's take a look at ADP. This was in the news yesterday with Bill Ackman. Stock right now is trading at $116.88. Closed at $115.40. Not much I'm looking to do here, but nonetheless, it is creeping up a little bit. Let's take a look at Allstate insurance stock. ALL right now trading at 24.25. No movement there. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Cheesecake Factory. Ticker symbol is CAKE, CAKE. Stock right now is trading at $41.50. That is down from the $45 close. Still a lot of support at the low here around $38. Not sure it even gets down that low. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see if it tells us a little something, and we'll get back to that. I just want to go back to the Symantec level real quick. And again, reiterate my level there was 27.82 on Symantec. So if it does get there, that level is going to be pretty solid. Let's take a look here at one more, and then we'll wrap it up. LB, which is L Brands. Stock right now is trading at 47.25. Closed at 43.61. So this is a really good uptick. Again, a lot of resistance in this general area around $48. You'll see the daily chart, 200 moving average there. Also around 50, you have more resistance with a gap window. So we have lots of resistance coming into L Brands. If you own it, trail that stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game, and we'll look at it a little bit closer in a little while. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold is flat today, just down 30 cents, trading at $1,277 an ounce. Crude oil down 10 cents, trading at $54.20 a barrel. So no real movement in gold and oil today. We'll skip that. But we have lots of stocks in the news. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, come trade with us. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we are doing in there. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.